Good morning, children. How are you all? So today I've come back for your Hindi class. So you have learned the Vyanjan and the Swar. Swar from A to Aha, Vyanjan from Ka to Kshatrajna. Okay, so I have asked you all to write and practice, but I have not got anybody's homework as yet. So write it and send it to me. Meanwhile, we'll learn numbers. Today we will learn Hindi Ginti. So we will learn numbers. How do you count in Hindi? So and how you write Hindi numbers. Like we have in English 1, 2, 3, 4. We know how to write in the numbers. Similarly, there is a Hindi script. In Hindi script, we have the numbers. It's written in a slightly different way, which is different from our English numerals. So let's see how to write. Okay. So and then I want you all to copy this in your Hindi classwork. I have written in 2 columns because of the space constraint. I want you all to write in 1 full page. Okay, 1 to 10 and write the same thing 3 times. So this is 1. So you all know in English how do we write 1. How is it written in Hindi? You make it like R. How do you write? Go, make one knot, go up and come down, and small tail here. एक छोटा सा पूंछ. Okay, this is ek. Ek. It's called ek in Hindi. 1 in English is ek in Hindi, and this is how you write ek in Hindi. And this is 2. So we write 2 like this. Just similarly in Hindi we write same thing, the little knot here and go down. That's your do. What is it? Do. 2 in English is do in Hindi. And then you have 3. 3 in Hindi is similar to our English writing. 3, and then you put a knot and drag a tail there. That's your 3. Teen. Teen is written in letters T with E, ki matra and na. Teen. So this is 1. Ek. Do. 2. 3. Teen. This is 4. So you know to write 4, right? So 4 in Hindi is like this, children. Like how we write small r, like this and like that. That's 4, and we call it char in Hindi. What's this? Char. So ek, do, teen, char, and we go to 5. 5 is panch. Panch. So you just make a curve like this and a knot and come down and a tail here. So it's panch. Panch, pa, matra. Then there's a chandra bindu here and cha. Panch. So 5 is panch in Hindi. 1 ek, do, 2 do, 3 teen, 4 char, 5 panch. The next number is 6. Now how do we write 6 in Hindi? Is the reverse side of 3. Now you write 3 teen like this, 6 you write the other way. So it's the reverse side of teen. Goes like this, put a knot and bring the tail down. That's your cha. Cha, ha ki matra. So cha. 6 is cha. 6 cha. Now this is 7. How do you write 7 in Hindi? Like this and a knot here. That's your sat. 7 sat. 7 sat. Next number is 8. And how do you write 8? It's very easy. Like 7 is this way and 8 is towards you from your right and a curve. That's it. 8 is art. Art. 8 is art. This is 9. 9 is how? It's the reverse side of your ek. Again, you just put a knot, take a curve and then a small tail. That's your now. Now. Na, au ki matra, now. 9. And then you have 10 here. 1 and 0, 10. That's thus, which I have not written in numbers. So your 1 and the tail here and Shunya is your Das. There's a small tail here and Shunya is 0. So 10 is written as 1 and your 0, that's Shunya, Das. Okay, so this is from 1 to 10. I'll read it out again for you all, and I want you all to write 3 times. So I want you all to write thrice in your book. It's Hindi Ganit. Hindi Ganit. Write it above. Ginti. It's Hindi Ginti. I will write in the notebook how you all have to write and send you the photo. So copy the same thing. Hindi Ginti, how you will do? How do you read it? Ek. 1 is ek. Ek. 2 is do, and those written this way. 3 is teen, and this is how you have to write teen. 4 is char. Char is written like this. 5 is panch, and you have to write panch this way. 6 is char. Char is written like this. 7 is saat, and you write saat. Numbers in Hindi. 8 is art, is written like this. 9 is now. 10 is das, and this is das. So these are the 2-line books. You all have double ruled book, right? So I want you all to write it like this. So you don't have to leave extra line. Don't write it in your single ruled book. Use your Hindi double ruled book and write like this. Hindi Ginti, numbers from 1 to 10. 1 to 10. I will write in the notebook and send it to you all. I want you to write the same way. Okay. So this is your Hindi Ginti, Hindi counting. Numbers in Hindi. So in the next class, I will see you all with the new lesson. Okay. Take care children. Goodbye.